Warm welcome to all. I am Prince. Now I am going to talk about the topic nuclear battery. In recent advancement of technology, there is a great need of small, compact, lightweight and reliable power supplies. Nuclear battery. These are devices which uses energy from the decay of radioisotopes to generate electricity. Unlike nuclear reactor, there is no nuclear chain reaction taking place inside the battery, therefore no radioactive waste produced. They are mainly used as power source for equipment that must operate unattended for long period of time. Nuclear battery technology began in 1913 when Henry Moseley first demonstrated the beta cell. A radioisotope electric power system was developed by inventor Paul Brown, which was scientific breakthrough. The field received considerable in-depth research attention for applications, requiring long-life power source for space needs during the 1950s and 60s. In 1954, RCA researched a small atomic battery for small ratio receivers and hearing aids. There are two types of conversion techniques, thermal conversion and non-thermal conversion. The thermal converters include thermoelectric and thermionic generators. The non-thermal converters extract a fraction of the incident energy as heat being degraded into heat rather than using thermal energy to run electrons in a cycle. There are four types of nuclear batteries: thermionic converter, radioisotope thermoelectric generator, beta voltaic reciprocating electromechanical atomic batteries. The first type, thermionic converter. A thermionic converter consists of a hot electrode which thermionically emits electron over a space charge barrier to a cooler electrode, producing a useful power output. A calcium vapor is used to optimize the electrode work functions and provide an ion supply by surface ionization to neutralize the electron space charge. There are two plates are here, one emitter and collector. The external load are connected between them, and one in emitter side the heat is in and in collector side heat is out. The distance between the emitter and collector, the plasma cloud is formed. The radioisotope thermoelectric generator. This converter uses thermocouples. Each thermocouple produces only small voltage. Number of thermocouples are connected in series to produce large voltage. This is the diagram. Beta voltaic. These are generators of electricity current using energy from a radioactive source emitting beta particles. Use a non-thermal conversion process. Converts the electron cold plates produced by the ionization trail of beta particles transversing a semiconductor. This is the ratio isotope source diagram. Reciprocating electromechanical atomic batteries. The electromechanical atomic batteries use the buildup of charge between two plates to pull one bendable plate towards the other until two plates touch discharge, equalizing the electricity buildup and spring up. The mechanical motion produced can be used to produce electricity through flushing a piezoelectric material or through a linear generator. This is the diagram. Radioisotope used. Atomic batteries uses radioisotope producing lower energy beta particles and sometimes alpha of varying energies. Tritium, nickel, promethium, technetium are tested, and plutonium, curium 242, curium 244, and strontium 90 used. Advantages: reliable, lighter with high energy density, lifespan minimum of decades, efficient use of end product obtained post of nuclear fission and nuclear fusion process, fueling nuclear batteries. Energy obtained is high, reduces greenhouse effect and related effects. Disadvantages: high initial cost of production, energy conversion methodology is not much advanced to gain social acceptance, regional and country specific laws regarding the use and disposal of radioactive materials. Applications: space automobiles, medical, underwater sea props or sea sensors, military. The space application, which is the unaffected by long period of darkness and radiance belt like van belt, high power for long time independent of the atmospheric condition. used in long duration missions where fuel cells, batteries, and solar arrays would be too large and heavy. In automobiles, it is an initial stage of development. Nuclear batteries could replace conventional fuels, then there will be no case of running out of fuel. Medical applications. Due to increased longevity and better reliability, it is used in pacemakers, implanted defibrillators, and other implanted devices. Underwater sea probes and sea sensors provides power in inaccessible places like deep sea that should keep working for a long time or under extreme conditions like earthquake and tsunami. Military application. Tracer also power source to provide very high density battery power to ratio frequency, equipment stacks, sensors, and ultra wideband communication. The current research of nuclear batteries shows promise in future application. Implementation of this new technology, feasibility of the device will be available for a wide range of applications. Nuclear cells are going to be next best thing ever invented in human history. In nowadays, nuclear batteries are plays a special role in technology and machinery sites. Thank you guys.